Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Friday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills Beef Company of Mullen, Nebraska. Eat like a rancher. America First means buying directly from the producer. Be the change. To learn about everything Sandhills Beef Company has to offer, head on over to their website, www.sandhillsbeefco.com. Also sponsored by TD Angus of North Platte, Nebraska. They're going to be hosting their annual bull sale at the Rishel Ranch near North Platte on March 19th, a week from today. And that sale is going to start at 10:30 Central Time. This is a sale you do not want to miss. They're going to be offering 300 plus powerful Angus bulls, 50 plus Angus females, 500 plus commercial replacement heifers, 25 first calf heifer pairs, and 7 ranch geldings. One heck of a lineup. Go ahead and give Trey a call if you have any questions. His phone number is 307-660-8650. And to check out the lineup for this sale, go ahead and head on over to tdangus.com. According to Drovers, the CME Group has begun publishing a boxed beef index, a new pricing tool that tracks daily value further down the supply chain. The index will focus on prices paid for choice and select cuts of beef. According to Dana Schmidt, Director of Corporate Communications for CME Group, the Boxed Beef Index will offer market participants price discovery across the entire supply chain. It will serve as the latest innovative tool designed to help all CME customers manage their risk. The CME Boxed Beef Index is a 5-business-day volume-weighted measurement of the daily choice and select cutout prices. USDA will collect the data and publish it in their National Daily Boxed Beef Cutout and Boxed Beef Cuts Negotiated Sales Afternoon Report. The index has been set up with 4 main goals. First off, it has been set up to provide a transparent daily price that producers, packers, processors, wholesalers, and others can use to track and forecast beef prices. Secondly, customers can compare the daily boxed beef index pricing data to the USDA reported prices of negotiated fed cattle or the negotiated prices between the packer and feeder for the animals to better manage risk. Thirdly, it has been set up for customers. It has been set up so customers could also compare the boxed beef index to the pork cutout index to gain insight on consumer demand. And essentially, CME Group believes that the boxed beef index will become the benchmark price reference for beef. Schmidt closed in saying that the index is a free pricing tool for market participants, not a tradable product. It is fundamentally in place to serve as a risk management tool. ASPCA has reported that on Thursday, they commended US Senator Cory Booker, a Democrat from New Jersey, and US Representatives Rosa DeLaRue, a Democrat from Connecticut, and Benny Thompson, a Democrat from Mississippi, for reintroducing the Safe Line Speeds During COVID-19 Act to better protect animals, workers, and consumers from the dangers posed by higher line speeds in slaughterhouses. The Safe Line Speeds During COVID-19 Act would prohibit slaughter and meat processing facilities from operating at extreme speeds during the pandemic. This legislation would suspend existing line speed waivers and put an end to the issuance of new waivers during the pandemic. It would also halt the implementation of and conversion to the new swine slaughter inspection system, NSIS, which removes all limits on pig slaughter line speeds. ASPCA believes that increasing production speeds would put more pressure on workers to move animals quickly, which would endanger animals, workers, and food safety. The organization believes that processing plants have failed miserably to protect workers from the rapid spread of coronavirus. Since the start of the pandemic, 517 meatpacking plants have had confirmed cases of the virus, and more than 57,500 meatpacking workers have tested positive for the virus. According to Senator Booker, outbreaks of COVID-19 have surged since the onset of the pandemic, and the situation only worsened last year when the Trump administration approved more than 20 requests from meatpacking plants to exceed regulatory limits on line speeds, despite the risks posed to safety of workers and consumers. The senator stated that the Biden administration has taken an important step in withdrawing the previous administration's proposed rule to increase line speeds in poultry plants. Going forward, it is critical that we prioritize the safety of frontline workers and consumers over profits of large multinational meatpacking corporations, he said. Representative De La Rue stated that even before the pandemic, meatpacking workers experienced injuries at a higher rate than comparable occupations. Increasing line speeds would make it impossible for workers to practice social distancing and comply with safety guidelines, she stated. Since the pandemic, the public awareness has increased when it comes to industrial agriculture, according to ASPCA. A recent survey conducted by Lake Research Partners found that 82% of respondents believe the government should mandate slower slaughter speeds to protect animals, workers, or public health. Finally, National Beef Wire reported yesterday that choice box beef ended the day at $226.67. That was down 62 cents, and select box beef ended the day at $220.07, and that was up 25 cents. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope everyone has had a great week. Have yourself a wonderful weekend. Stay warm. I hope everyone out there doesn't get too much snow, but at the same time, we need the moisture. So anyways, again, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys Monday morning.